looks like this. For this, it says, well, we are comparing positive and negative numbers. And you're going to have to use one of these two to compare them. So those, if you forgot, those are called inequalities. Inequalities. And this means greater than. Whoa. I just keep this over here. And this one means less than. Now you have to remember that positive numbers are always bigger than negative numbers no matter what. So they'll try to confuse you. So see how right here they have a negative 80, which is a whole number. So in your head you think 80 is bigger than a half, but a positive number will always be bigger than a negative number. So for number 8, we would write that 1/2 is greater than negative 80. And you have to do for most of these. Now when you get to a question that has -7 and -10, like number 3, the number that looks bigger, so for example the 10 looks bigger, this one's going to be smaller because it's negative. When you compare two negatives and you're doing them on the number line like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, -7 would be here, and then 8 9 10, -10 would be over here. Whatever number is more that to the left side, the smaller it is. The more it is to the right side, the bigger it is. So -10 will always be smaller than -7. And think of a number that's smaller than -10. What's a number that's smaller than -10? It would have to be on this side. We can say negative. We can say negative. Let me see. -11. Yeah. -12. Yeah. So we would always say that the number that's bigger in the negative size, meaning they're the closest to the left, they're the smaller one. So right here we would say -7 is greater than -10. If we had to write it the other way, we can say this. -10 is less than -7. So either way is correct, but here you're just placing them on the correct order. Right here, again, negative a fraction and a whole number. So which negative number is farthest to the left side? That would be your smaller number. Now, number 10 through 18, that says write each set of numbers in order from least to greatest. So for number 10, you always have to start off with a number that would be all the way on the left side on our number line. All the way on the left side. So for number 10, it would be -2, then -1, then 0. Then it would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you write your answer right here in number 10, you would have to write it like this in order. -2, -1, 0, 4, 5. And make sure you do that from 10 to 18. Number 19 says, describe how to determine which of two negative numbers is greater. Oh, so that's the way I explained it. So determine how can you tell that two negative numbers, which one is greater and which one is less than, how I explain here. The main explanation was the farther to the left in the number line that the number is, the smaller it is. So and then if the number is more to the right side on the number line, it is bigger. That's it for page 20. I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you can join us for our Zoom stream on tomorrow.